everybody, welcome to my YouTube. I'm Jen. Today I have a very special unboxing for you. This is the Holly Jolly Santa sack. This is a swap that I went into with a group of Disney YouTubers. They invited me to join them. It was organized by Twinkling Beauties. Susan over there organized a whole bunch of people to get together and swap for Christmas. I was partnered with Vicki's Tigger Tales, and we actually were allowed, it wasn't a secret swap, so we were allowed to talk to each other, and I've gotten to know Vicki and check out her YouTube to see what I sent her, but I will link everybody's YouTube videos below. Definitely check out. Hopefully I got her some stuff that she would really enjoy. I watched a bunch of videos, asked her a bunch of questions, and tried to figure her out a little bit, and I think I got it. She's a really cool person, so definitely check her out. But I get to open what she sent me, and I'm so super excited. She did put it in a Be Our Guest Express box. This box is gorgeous. It is almost worth going over there and getting a Be Our Guest Express package. All of their boxes come like this, so yeah, I may have to check them out next year. Let me know if you want to see something like that. I still do Magic at Eor. Probably going to be ending that at the end of the year, but let me know what you guys think, if I should just stick to just crafts or if you'd like to see a little bit of Disney thrown in as well. Anyways, I digress. So let's see what's inside. I'm so excited. Okay, so the only rule, well, there was two rules. So it had to be a Santa sack. It had to be personalized. So this is so cool. It's actually embroidered, so that's a very nice touch. And then the limit was $60, but I can tell you that I didn't pay attention to the limit, so way above it. The lower limit, I should say, was $60. So let's see what she did. First up, ooh, it's a box wrapped in tissue paper. Oh, and taped. So pardon my reach while I grab my knife. She got me an Eor Nightlight. Okay, I'm gonna remove this box because it's just in the way, and I can't show you the goodness that is the Eor Nightlight. I don't know if she made it herself. I'll have to ask her, or if she had it made, but it was made on a laser cutter. And this is going to be so cool because I put it in the base. If I can get the protection film off. Yes, he is perfect. And it goes in here. With 3. Out of my remote. Nope. That's AA. Okay. I will have to show you at the end, but I will get some batteries and we will see what he looks like. And he fits perfect. I love it. I know you can't really see. I'll show you. I'll show you. I'm so excited. Oh, and there's a little one too. Wonder where he goes. So that is super adorable. I love him. Look at him. Check it. Oops. So super cool. Oh, there's a plug. Oh. So it's a little computer one. Aww. So it goes on my laptop and he sits there. I will totally put that at work. Put that up at work. Thank you so much. I'm ecstatic with just this. I could just be done now. But let's see what else is in our box. So, our gorgeous Santa sack. And on the bottom of our gorgeous Santa sack, I'll have to show you. Took away the box too early because look at all the goodies down here. There's some confetti. There is a gorgeous ornament. Some ribbon. Some peppermint bark bar. Ooh, I didn't include any candies or treats for anybody this year. Andy's mints. Ooh, I love those. Some more ribbon. Ooh, I see Maleficence. Oh, I love it. It is a Maleficent notebook. Lined. Very cool. Love it. Love it. Okay. And for the Santa sack. She did a great job. Or had a great job done if she didn't do it. So there is my personalized Santa sock. And let's open it up. And inside, oh my god! Okay, look what's inside. So she went rogue too, because I can tell you she definitely spent more than $60 on me, just like I spent more than $60 on her. So this is gorgeous. I've never seen this. It is gorgeous. I love it. I actually ordered something that never arrived for her, and it made me so sad I had to replace it. But the thing I replaced it with was even better, so I was super happy that that happened. And anyways, that doesn't matter. This is gorgeous. I'm rambling. So we have a card. Sign of good taste, good times, good cheer. Oh, it's a Coca-Cola. Good friends, hope your holidays are as special as you. Hey Jen, it's been so fun shopping for you and getting to know about you. Happy holidays. Hope you enjoy. Thank you, Vicki. And it is gorgeous. So, I do think that there's something inside. Oh, there's a lot of somethings inside. So, let's take these out. She spoiled me. What? Oh my god, I love it. Look at this. It is an Eor bag charm. So this goes on whatever bag you carry, and it's just a cute little Eor fuzzy thing. I love it. I've seen those around. I just haven't gotten one yet, so I'm super happy. And can I just tell you, I love this bag. Like, love this bag. And I've never seen it. I don't know who made it, but it is gorgeous. There's also these inside the pocket with the card. And so many little treats. Ooh, I love Oswald's. Put that over there. Wow, Vicki, you definitely went rogue. You spoil me. A watch? Oh, I love it. That is so pretty. It's the Disney store on the back. Love it! 90 years, Mickey the True Original. These are metal die-cast characters from Steamboat Willie. I absolutely love that. I love Steamboat Willie. Yeah, those are coming out of the box. I'm gonna play with those. Okay. Sounded a little weird. Oh, look. Oh. Oh, I did that. Did I do that backwards? So there, he built it. There, he broke it. I know he's sad. Oh, that is adorable. Oh, he's a little Bigfoot. I have a big Bigfoot. This one's a little guy. I love it. Tiny Bigfoot. He's a tiny Bigfoot. He's so cute. And it fits in the cup. I have a Mickey Mouse face mask. Very nice. And a Mickey applique. Vicki, thank you so much. You went above and beyond. You definitely went rogue. I'm so excited for all of this. And I can't wait to see what you thought of yours. And just wanted to thank you all for watching. Comment below, let me know what you think. Have a great day.